Have you ever stopped to ponder the complexity of waking up? This seemingly simple act, a transition from the realm of dreams to the sphere of reality, is a journey in itself. It's akin to emerging from one universe and materializing in another, leaving behind the fantastical dreamscape and stepping into the tangible world where the laws of physics rule. But what if I told you that there are 50 steps to prepare for this daily voyage? Yes, you heard it right. 50 intricate steps that you can take while you're still ensnared in the web of dreams, preparing your mind and body for the awakening. It's a concept as abstract as a dream, as bewildering as a maze, and as intriguing as the idea of parallel universes. It's a compelling conundrum, isn't it? An enigma wrapped in the mundane act of waking up. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of preparing for awakening? The first 10 steps are as simple as the inception of a dream. Let's dive in. Step 1, adjust your pillow. It's not just about comfort, it's about setting the stage for the journey that lies ahead. Step 2, take a deep breath. Feel the air filling your lungs and then slowly let it out. This is not just a breath, it's a conscious act of releasing the day's tensions. Step 3, close your eyes. This is your doorway into the dream world, a simple act of shutting out the physical world to invite the metaphysical. Step 4, imagine a color. Any color. Let it fill your mind. Let it become the backdrop of your dreamscape. Step 5, tune into the rhythm of your heartbeat. Feel it pulsating, steady and sure. This is your anchor, your constant in the ever-changing landscape of dreams. Step 6, let your thoughts flow freely. Don't try to control them, just observe. They are like clouds passing by in the sky of your mind. Step 7, imagine a sound. It could be the rustle of leaves, the murmur of a stream, or the hum of a city. Let it fill your ears, let it set the tone of your dreams. Step 8, visualize an object. It could be something mundane like a chair, or something abstract like a thought. Let it take form in your mind, let it become a part of your dream world. Step 9, feel an emotion. It could be joy, sadness, fear, or anticipation. Let it wash over you, let it color your dreams. And finally, step 10, let go. Release your hold on reality and let yourself drift into the realm of dreams. And just like that, we've completed the first 10 steps. But remember, the path to awakening gets more complex. As we enter the second phase, things start to get a little more intricate. Our next set of steps takes us further into the labyrinth of our dreams. Step 11, you must visualize a dodecahedron. You might ask, what's a dodecahedron? It's a shape with 12 flat faces, each a pentagon. As you sleep, picture this shape. Let it fill your mind and rotate it in your imagination. For step 12, recall a memory. This isn't just any memory, it's your earliest memory. Dive into the depths of your mind and bring this memory to the forefront. Relive it, feel it, let it envelop you. Step 13 is where we start to play with fire. You must manipulate the narrative of your dream. If you're flying, try to dive. If you're running, try to dance. This is your dream, after all, and you are the puppet master. Step 14 involves a touch of nostalgia. Visualize your favorite childhood toy. Remember its texture, its color, its smell, and how it made you feel. Step 15. Now this is a fun one. You need to imagine a conversation with a historical figure. Pick anyone you like, maybe a president, a scientist, or a philosopher. What would you ask them? What would they say? Step 16. We move to the abstract. You must visualize the concept of time. How does it look to you? Is it a river, a road, a clock? Step 17. You'll need to bring back the taste of your favorite food. This might seem odd, but trust me, it works. Taste it, savor it, let it bring you joy. Step 18, we're going to try something a little different. You must imagine a color you've never seen before. I know it sounds impossible, but give it a try. Step 19, you need to feel an emotion you've never felt before. Push your emotional boundaries, explore the unknown. Finally, step 20, you must visualize the Earth from space. See its blues and greens, its swirling clouds. Remember its round, not flat dummy. As we delve deeper into this journey, things are starting to get more intricate, aren't they? Now, we're entering the labyrinth of dreams, where things get truly fascinating. Step 21. Wander through the surreal landscapes of your dreamscape. Explore the impossible architecture, the floating islands, or the forests with trees of pure light. Your dreams are a canvas for your imagination. So why not take a stroll through your own personal art gallery? Step 22. Strike up a conversation with a dream character. They could be someone you know, a famous person, or a creature that defies description. Remember, these characters are projections of your own mind, so each conversation is a dialogue with yourself. Step 23. Practice some dream control. Try changing the weather, teleporting to a different location, or transforming into an animal. The only limit is your imagination. Step 24. Look for dream signs. These are recurring symbols or events that signal your dreaming. It could be a clock with shifting numbers, a door leading to an unexpected place, or your reflection looking slightly off. Spotting these signs can trigger lucidity. Step 25. Take a moment to stabilize the dream. Rub your hands together, spin around, or shout out loud. These actions can prolong the dream and increase your lucidity. Step 26. Conduct a dream experiment. Test the laws of physics, play with time, or explore the far reaches of the universe. Your dream world is your personal laboratory. Step 27. Practice mindfulness. Observe your dream without judgment. Stay in the present moment and fully experience each sensation. This can deepen your dream awareness and enhance your waking life mindfulness. Step 28. Rehearse a real-life situation. Whether it's a job interview, a public speaking event, or a first date, your dreams can be a safe space for practice. Step 29. Create a dream masterpiece. Compose a symphony, paint a masterpiece, or write a novel. You might wake up with a new idea or a fresh perspective. Step 30. Before waking up, recall your dream adventures. This can boost your dream recall and make your future dreams more vivid and lucid. We're halfway through, and things are starting to feel a bit dreamlike, aren't they? In this phase, we start to blur the lines between dream and reality. Now, let's navigate this paradoxical reality together. Picture this: you're brushing your teeth. But wait a minute, aren't you supposed to be sleeping? Yet here you are, squeezing out a dollop of toothpaste onto your brush. You can almost taste the minty freshness. But remember, you're still in the realm of dreams. Step 31, you're making a cup of coffee. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air. You can hear the soft sound of the coffee maker, feel the warmth of the mug in your hands. But isn't it strange? You're still nestled in your bed, in the throes of sleep. Moving on to step 32, you're taking a shower. You can feel the water cascading down your skin, washing away the sleepiness. But hold on, isn't this a dream? The paradox of it all is enough to make your head spin. Step 33, you're getting dressed. You can feel the texture of your clothes against your skin, the coolness of the fabric. But how is this possible? You're supposed to be dreaming. On to step 34, you're eating breakfast. You can taste the sweetness of the honey on your toast, the tanginess of the orange juice. But wait, aren't you asleep? Step 35 to 40 delve into the activities of your day. You're at work, typing away on your computer. You're at the gym, lifting weights. You're at the grocery store, picking out produce. You're cooking dinner, the savory scent of herbs and spices wafting through the air. You're watching television, the flicker of the screen reflected in your eyes. You're climbing into bed, pulling the covers up to your chin. But aren't you already in bed, lost in dreams? We've made it through 40 steps, and yet can you tell if you're dreaming or awake? This, my friends, is the paradoxical reality of preparing to wake up. The line between dream and wakefulness is as thin as a razor's edge. So are you dreaming or are you awake? Finally, we come to the last 10 steps, leading us to the ultimate awakening. Step 41, engage in a soliloquy with your subconscious. Yes, you heard right. Step 42, perform a foxtrot with your dreams. Step 43, weave a tapestry of thoughts. Step 44, play a game of chess with your fears. Step 45, uncloak the chimeras hiding in the shadows of your mind. Step 46, peel back the layers of cognitive illusions. Step 47, navigate through the labyrinth of your mental echoes. Step 48, unravel the Gordian knot of your deepest anxieties. Step 49, make peace with the phantasmagoria of your reality. Finally, step 50, wake up and realize you are living among reptilians, and life is in fact more daunting than your worst nightmare. And there you have it, the 50 steps to preparing for waking up. But is waking up really a relief or just another kind of nightmare? So we've journeyed through the 50 steps of preparing for waking up. But what does it all mean? It's a question that echoes in the chambers of our minds, as mysterious as the dreams that dance in our sleep. We began with the simple, tangible steps, actions that seemed grounded in the realm of the conscious. Actions like setting alarms, preparing a morning playlist, or choosing our breakfast the night before. Yet even these basic steps held a certain charm, a magic that hinted at the complexity to come. As we ventured deeper into the process, the steps became more intricate, more entwined with the enigmatic world of dreams. We spoke of actions such as programming our subconscious thoughts, mastering the art of lucid dreaming, and even the seemingly contradictory task of waking up within our dreams. Each step, a riddle wrapped within the folds of sleep, pushing us further into the labyrinth of our own minds. And then we arrived at the heart of the matter, the realization that life, in all its cacophony, is more terrifying than the most vivid nightmare. That we dwell among the reptilians, the unseen forces that shape our reality, and that waking up is merely the beginning of another labyrinth, another complex journey. So, what's the takeaway from this intricate dance between sleep and wakefulness? Perhaps it's the understanding that waking up is more than just opening our eyes. It's a process, a journey, an adventure that begins in the realm of dreams and ends in the harsh light of reality. It's the realization that life in all its chaos and confusion is a paradox. It's terrifying and beautiful, simple and complex, a dream and a nightmare. And preparing to wake up with its 50 steps of increasing complexity is a reflection of this paradox. So the next time you wake up, remember, life may be worse than a nightmare, but at least you haven't tried to escape enslavement. That would make for a far worse scenario. So remember, kids, obey or suffer the dire consequences, you stupid human scum.